something about you. I'm gonna break it down. They don't know your style. I'm gonna keep it real.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is terrikajahniece and welcome. Do not forget to subscribe if you are not already. Today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys my little empty apartment tour. It's so cute. I'm so obsessed with y'all. Have been dying to share this apartment with y'all. So that's what I'm gonna be doing, and I'm super excited to take y'all on the decorating journey with me and everything like that. So make sure you stay tuned for those upcoming videos. But we're not gonna talk too much. We're just gonna hop right on into the video. Again, if you do like videos like this, or if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit up on that like button and leave a comment down below. And make sure that you guys watch to the very end if you wanna see the complete apartment tour. So let's go. If you hear echo, please don't mind that. But this is the front door. And then when you move over to the left, this little closet is a coat closet. It's perfect for, you know, my guests to hang their jackets and me to store stuff. The internet box, the apartment actually came with internet, it's included. So I thought that was pretty cool. I didn't have to really worry about finding my own. So that is that. And then when we pan over here, you have the washer and dryer, which a washer and dryer in an apartment is a must for me. Like, I cannot be in an apartment without a washer and dryer. So really big washer and dryers. And then at the top you have some shelving where you can store all of your cleaning supplies. And I'm gonna organize this and everything like that. So make sure you guys stay tuned for the organization videos. And then when you come over here, this is a bathroom door. So this is where my guests will enter. I do have another entry from my room, but let's get into this bathroom. It's so cute. A really nice spacious tub, which I am obsessed with. And then it has the black hardware. Like, this has to be my favorite part of this whole shower setup is the hardware. And then we have kind of like this tile, and then we have the black hardware there, and a really high, you know, I'm gonna have to get a really high long shower curtain, but so cute. And then it even has the light above it. Where's the light for that? Have no clue, but it does have a light above that. We have the toilet. This is an empty space where I'll probably put like shelves and stuff like that. That's what I think I'm gonna do. And then you come over here, and then we have a lot of cabinetry, a lot of space, and a lot of storage. So that is perfect for just being organized and just having a place for everything to go. That's my main thing. So we have the mirror. I'm in it looking crazy, but this is so cute. This is how it looks. And then black hardware for the sinks. This is a double sink. So a whole bunch of room. And then you have like a little towel rack there. You have a towel holder here. And then this door, it leads to my bedroom. So you open it up and you have this nice, spacious, big old bedroom. It even has the plugs on the walls where you can hang up the TV, which I will be doing. I already have my TV and everything like that, but really nice and spacious, really high ceilings, which I am obsessed with. You already know. Then we have a nice big window for natural lighting. And then we have a ceiling fan in here. And then this over here is the closet. Not as big as I would like it to be. This is the closet area. It has a few shelves. You have the door leading out to the living room from my room. Look at these floors. But this is the living room area. Really spacious, really cute. You have the patio door. You have a nice big window right here. This leads to the patio. So this is the patio area, really spacious. And then over here is where the TV is gonna go. Just like in a bedroom, it has like the little plug-ins where you can hang the TV on the wall, which I really like. Really nice open concept. So we have an island, which I'm gonna put some bar stools right here. It also has the black hardware. This is just a utility closet. This door right here, you have another door. This is a pantry. And has a lot of space. So I'll definitely be able to store all of my goods in here and organize and everything like that. So that's the pantry. And then we have this double door refrigerator. Y'all, I ain't never had no refrigerator like this. Okay guys, if you see a difference in quality, I had to switch my cameras because my other one died and I don't have the battery. But I was showing y'all the refrigerator. Like, it's so spacious. It has so much storage. Like, I'm so ready to organize this. All the girls on Pinterest and all the organization girlies. Like, I'm so excited. But it has a built-in water filter. And then we have a fridge. And then just a whole bunch of storage and stuff like that. So cute. It's a pretty decent size. It's pretty wide. And I love the open concept where you can see the living room, a lot of cabinet space, a lot of drawer space, has a microwave and a glass top stove, which I've never had. Love it. And then you have the tile backsplash, which is very simple, but really cute at the same time. You have the quartz countertops, which are very easy to clean. I love that. And then you have like this farmhouse type of sink. And this is something that I had in my last apartment. I know a lot of people like the double-sided sinks, but I don't mind this sink, especially because I have a dishwasher. And on top of that, it's just, the look of it is just so cute. But like I said, it has also the black hardware. And then you have, you know, the little sprayer, more cabinetry down underneath the sink, and also a lot of drawer space right here. I really love how it just adds another little touch to the apartment. So this is so cute. And then we have the dishwasher right here. You know, just a simple little dishwasher. So yeah, you guys, that's what I've been up to. That's why I've kind of been missing for a little bit. Just kind of been dealing with the move and stuff like that. And I definitely am gonna be taking y'all along when I decorate and stuff. So make sure that you guys stay tuned for that. I have a few deliveries for tomorrow. So I'm gonna take y'all along with me on that. So make sure that you guys check out my other video for that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this apartment tour, this empty apartment tour. Y'all, I'm so obsessed. I'm so in love with it. It's just so perfect. But I'm just so grateful, and I just thank God for everything that he has given me. I do have my couch, which will be here tomorrow. And if you have not already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so you can become a part of the family. I would love to have you guys. We just be having fun over here. Make sure you give this video a big old thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. All right, I will see y'all in the next video.
Meditating,